You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to set an iPhone ringtone, like the classic marimba, on your Android phone. First, you need to obtain the ringtone file. iPhone ringtones are in M4R format. You can find them online by searching iPhone ringtones M4R free download. Download a file to your phone. Alternatively, convert an MP3 to M4R using an online converter. Once you have the M4R file, move it to your phone's ringtones folder. Use a file manager app to locate your downloads. Copy the file and paste it into the ringtones folder in your internal storage. If the folder doesn't exist, create it. Now open your phone's settings app, tap on Sound and Vibration, then Phone Ringtone. Your downloaded iPhone ringtone should appear in the list. Select it. If it doesn't appear, restart your phone and check again. Another method is to use a ringtone maker app like Zedge from the Play Store. Search for iPhone or marimba within Zedge, download the ringtone, and set it directly through the app. You can also use the Music app on some Android phones to set a custom ringtone from your music library. This process lets you personalize your Android with iconic iPhone sounds. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.